Hi guys, welcome back. I'm Vivek Singhal from tradingwithvivek.com, and today we are going to discuss a very interesting topic, that what to choose among mutual funds or direct equity investment, or we should trade in the market. See, both means all are different things, but choosing the right one according to our situation is much more important. See, there is always a question among those traders also who have made money or who have lost money, and suddenly this question comes to mind when we lose money in the market, in trading especially, that whether this is right decision to switch over to mutual funds because that is considered much more safer, and or we should build up an equity portfolio rather than to trade. See, before taking any decisions, I think this decision should be taken based on some fundamental grounds. Those should be considered in the exact way as it should have been. But before moving ahead, there is a disclaimer that whatever stocks, if we discuss, then that would not be a recommendation to buy or sell. That would be just for the educational video. And if you have yet not subscribed my channel, then do subscribe, because I would keep on making this kind of educational videos to make ourselves a better trader and investor. So let's start. And the most important factor, according to my understanding, in choosing among mutual fund investment or creating your own equity portfolio, or becoming a trader, is the availability of time. See, even if we are a very good trader, we are an expert and we are consistent in making money in trading, but suddenly if our normal work does get changed, and we do switch from night shift, if that is incorporate, to the daytime, and are that is coincidentally matching, or that is clashing with the market hours, so we won't be able to give our trading that much of time as we were giving earlier. See, day trading is a full time job, and even though this is not a day trading, then swing trading also requires a lot of time in the market hours. See, it is not right if we have a open position in the trading and we move on to a conference which will take 2 hours during that market hours. See, in that time we won't be able to watch our positions and the prices, resistance and support areas and all other indicators we may be using that time. So the result will not be as good as it could have been, number one. Number two, see, we would be less focusing on the corporate work or our business or any other job whatever we are doing. So if we are not available for market trading during market hours, trading should be avoided. It should not be done. It should not be done at all, even if we are an expert or we are at the beginning stage where we are in learning phase. So time availability is much more important. So if trading is not done, then what? It should be equity portfolio creation for wealth, or it should be just mutual fund investment in mutual funds. See, again, time factors come in picture. For creating an equity portfolio for long term investment also requires time, but that time does not exactly need to be same as of the market hours, because we can take the decisions overnight. We need to read a lot, we need to give time to find out companies and reading about companies, that which company is good for investment, where we should invest and where we should get out. So time also requires in creating long term portfolio, in creating even short term equity portfolio, time requires, but that time could be after market hours, or that could be over the weekend. So but there is a possibility that few people won't be able to find that time also, because of a lot of reasons. That reason could be getting engaged in their own business, or job profile is like that, or they are busy in their family, they need to give time to them, or they are elders in the family, those requires more time. So time factor is much more important. If time is not available for equity investment also, and we cannot find time over the weekend or at the end of the day, then mutual fund investment is the only option available. So first we need to have a look at whether we are available during the market hours. If we are available, then trading should be chosen, because there is nothing much more rewarding than trading, active trading, in comparison of investment, and investment in mutual funds and investment in direct equity. But if that is not available, then second priority should be given to the creating your own equity portfolio, because creating own equity portfolio could give you as much as double return in comparison of mutual funds. So if mutual fund is giving us 10-12% CAGR return over a period of 5 to 10 years, our own equity portfolio can give just double of that, 20-24% CAGR return. But trading is much more rewarding. So the decision should be based on this availability of time. This was the first criteria. If trading time is available during the market hours, then second question comes, whether do we have the courage to control the fear and greed in the market, because that is the second most important criteria a trader need to consider over. See what happens, a lot of traders I know, I come across a lot of traders, those are my friends and other traders, and myself also in the initial stage was the same. See what happens if we have gone long in a trading position and that starts moving down. So rather than to cut the stop loss short, we do keep on holding that position, and that loss get bigger and bigger and bigger, and finally when that comes over our head, we do cut that loss at 50% of our portfolio is gone in a single trade. So and similarly on the other side, if there is a winning trade, then we do get out of the trade very soon. We do take the small profit, just because that we do have a fear in mind that this coming profit would be gone if they start falling down again. So if we cannot control this fear and greed in trading, then even though time is available, then trading doesn't make any sense. See, losing money is not at all good for our financial health. It can ruin our entire life. So not doing trade is better than losing money in trading. So time availability and this control over fear and greed are the two important factors in taking decision whether we should trade or we should create our own equity portfolio, or if we don't have time over the weekend or after market hours also, then investing in mutual funds, don't think anything else. See, investing in mutual funds is again giving us 10-12% CAGR over a period of time, and that attracts only long term capital gain, which is the least tax rate in India. And because we do pay only 10% income tax on long term capital gain now, if that investment is held for more than a year time, more than 12 months. So finally we can choose the mutual funds if we don't have time, because that is giving us a better than a very good better return, a good better return over fixed deposits and bonds and all. But that involves a risk that in between 5 years that our mutual fund also come down. So for that we need to get ourselves prepared for getting some better returns. So I hope you have got cleared about it, that for becoming a trader, this is not other factors, this is not expertise, or expertise does matter, but this expertise can be learned, and it can be learned with the practice. We can read a lot about it, we can do practice, we can watch a lot of videos, we can find good strategies, we can note that down, and we can start trading based on the strategies. Those have been taught in a lot of videos. I have made two videos, one for creating a long term equity portfolio, and second one how to trade based on RSI, and what are the trading rules of wealthy traders. And I have a few videos where I have already explained how the chart patterns give a breakout and where we should trade based on that. I have also made a special video separately where I have disclosed my own strategy which I use in trading for quite a long time now and which has been very fruitful. So don't become a trader until and unless you have time during the market hours and you have the courage to cut the stop losses short and let the winnings run in the winning trades. Enjoy reading a lot, because reading makes us perfect. Do a lot of practice. This was for the day. I am Vivek Singhal from tradingwithvivek.com. If you have not subscribed, do subscribe, like the video, and do the put your query in the comment box so that I could give answer to them. And see you soon in next video. Till then, have a good day. Goodbye.